This morning, as I sat down to do my taxes, it occurred to me that I'm really fortunate that all of my papers were together. It was so easy to just make sure that the numbers that had gotten plugged in via downloading from Quicken into my TurboTax were all correct. And it made me so grateful to think that I didn't have to search all over my office or all over my house for the papers that I needed to make this process go as efficiently as possible. Hi, my name is Sherry Curley. I'm also known as the Practical Sort because I provide practical home organizing solutions in an eco-friendly way. I'm also an organizing motivator, speaker, and writer. And you know what? I work with a lot of clients, and I've seen the distress that is caused by piles of paper and having to search through those piles to complete a task or to go scouring throughout the house into different cabinets and desktops and closets for the papers that are needed to efficiently complete the yearly tax returns or to take them to their CPAs. Because of that, and I realize it's not easy for everyone to do it the way I do it, I have got an answer for you. On March 17th at 10 a.m. Pacific time, I am holding the Paper Pile Purge. And this is an opportunity not only to get rid of all of those excess papers that bog you down, that create havoc in your spaces. This is also a perfect time to start organizing the papers that you need to keep for financial reasons, for legal reasons, for personal reasons. You can find out all about the Paper Pile Purge at thepracticalsort.com. Again, it's thepracticalsort.com. So mark your calendars for March 17th, 10 a.m. Pacific time. And at that time, I'm going to share my secret for making filing my taxes so much faster, so much easier, so much less stressful. Face it, filing taxes is stressful enough. We don't need to add any extra stress to it. I hope to see you there, and good luck with all that tax preparation. Bye-bye.